in this episode, we're going to talk about the anatomy, the build, the design of the Gaiwan and explain what each part actually does. It's not just something that looks pretty. Every part serves a purpose. So let's get to it. Now, this right here is a traditional Gaiwan. So at the very top, we have the lid. Now, the lid is pretty much used to close off the bowl, to trap the heat and to retain the aroma of the tea while it's being steeped inside. This middle section is the bowl itself. This is where you put the tea leaves and you let that tea grow, unfurl, and to just dance inside. The middle section is where you put your tea leaves. At the very bottom, we have the saucer. Now, what the saucer does is collect any potential overpours or drips from the hot water as you're pouring it into the bowl. The function of the saucer is to also prevent your hands from being burnt. As you know, while you're steeping your tea, this area at the top is hot. So we would usually hold it at the bottom. So these three parts right here make up the gai. In Chinese, the top is called the gai, and the middle is called the wat. So gai wat actually represents the top two sections. And the bottom saucer is called the tuo. There's actually a celestial, more philosophical metaphor as well. So the lid right here actually represents the heavens. It's the heavens that actually overlook everything below it, the people, the planet, the earth, and that is what the lid represents. The bowl represents a place for life to grow. And at the bottom, the saucer actually represents the earth, the foundation. So these three pieces actually represent the interconnectedness of all things in the universe. And in case you're wondering, how do we use the Gaiwan? Well, it's very simple. Two fingers, your thumb and your middle, with your index finger placed at the top. This is how you actually hold it. This is actually how you strain the tea as you pour it as well. So once the tea is ready, you want the fingers, your middle finger and thumb goes on the sides, the brim, so you don't actually burn yourself as well. Use your index to strain the tea and you pour. It's going to take some practice before you actually gain strength, just holding it right and just perfecting release of the flow of water. Well, I hope you found this helpful. That's all for now. And if you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe. I'm your host, Andrew, here at Teanomix, and I'll see you guys in the next one. By the way, this will be available at our online shop as well. So this right here is actually a Da Vinci inspired Gaiwan. Beautiful Gaiwan piece, high grade porcelain. You can check it out at teanomix.com.